still standing.
Baby, I have traveled near and far to get where I am going. Yeah, I've been through every struggle, but now here we are. It's a new day coming. Good morning. Let's make this the moment of the century. Good morning. Today's another chance to create memories.
Having been